Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. I've decided to get back into doing our weekend vlogs. We haven't done them for ages, just things have been a bit mad here and haven't really had the time to do them. But I really want to get back into doing it because I really enjoyed doing them. So did Booey. So I'm going to start doing them again. I'm going to do them Friday to Sunday. Simply because I work sort of Friday afternoon, Friday evening, and quite a lot of the day Sunday. So if I do it over the 3 days rather than just Saturday and Sunday, there'll be a lot more for me to put into the vlog rather than just a little bit, and it'll make the vlogs a decent length rather than little short ones like the one I did the other day. So yeah, here we go. This is Friday morning and let's see how we go. So I have sat at the computer for most of the morning. I've been doing a bit of comping, a few little bits on the blog that needed doing. I want to update all my photos on the blog and actually like my profile photos for all my social media at the moment. I might get Booey to help me with that tomorrow because she can take photos of me, and hopefully we can get some nice photos of us together as well to go on there, which would be good. So I'm now sat out in the garden enjoying the sun. I've got a cup of tea and a book. Cup of tea, book, and I'm going to sit out here for, I don't know, probably about 20 minutes I suppose, just while I drink my tea, and then I'll head back in and do a bit more work on the computer before I go to work. Boo will be home about an hour and a half, so try and get some stuff done before she comes home because she'll want to tell me about everything that's been going on all day, so while I'm getting ready for work, so I won't get much chance to do anything then, and then my whole evening's gone as well. So yeah, I'm going to sit here and enjoy the sunshine. Why not? Hi guys, and welcome to Saturday. The end of yesterday didn't go how I kind of planned it because I was going to get Booey to like talk about her day at school and stuff when she came home, but she texted me saying she was going to her friends after school. So I went to work and I finished work at 10 o'clock last night, and I got a text from Booey saying, can you pick me up from my friends, because she was still there. So nothing got done on the end of this vlog last night. So yesterday was very short when I hadn't intended it to be that way. Not sure what I'm going to be doing today. I really don't know. The weather's not as nice today, but still going to try and go out and do something. I'm not sure whether I'm going to do something on my own or with Booey because I'm not really sure what she's doing. So see what today brings.
Get your hips down. Like stirring a cake.
both smiling.
So Sunday in terms of this vlog kind of went a bit wrong. Booey was really tired after the canoeing she did yesterday. That was put on by a local canoeing club who were doing like a free trial day for people that wanted to go down. So obviously Booey wanted to go and have a go. She actually did really well. She didn't fall out the canoe or anything. She, you know, she was quite happily paddling along. It was really good. Sort of, and after that we just came home and just chilled out. She was quite tired after doing it. And the same went for Sunday really. She was really tired all day, which is why she didn't really want to do any vlogging, which is fair enough. Oh, excuse me. And I was at work all day. And I came home from work with full intentions of ending this vlog. And I ended up going to the gym and completely forgot what I was doing. So that's my fault. It didn't get ended properly. But I'm going to try and keep up with the weekend vlogs, and hopefully they'll get better and better. And I'll see you guys soon.